Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ultron token. Ticker symbol is ULX. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. It's doing well today. It's up 19.06%. Ticker symbol ULX. Name of the token's Ultron. Webpage is ultron.foundation. We're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Ultron token. So they have dual tokens, it looks like. They have their own blockchain, and then they have a token on the Binance Smart Chain. Because if you look at the Block Explorer section on CoinMarketCap, they have a BSC scan, and then above that they have a ULX scan. So let's go. If we go to the BSC scan, it says they have 5,050 holders, 36,109 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token here as well. They also have a total supply of 73.6 million tokens. On their BSC scan, they have a contact email, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, Telegram, LinkedIn, white paper, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap link, as well as their official webpage. So lots of info on there. If you want to check out their ULX scan for their own blockchain there, you could check that out as well. So the Binance Smart Chain token, if you wanted to buy that, you'd fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You'd go into the dApps. You would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Ultron token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. So it says Ultron solves technical and economic problems by successfully implementing a bridge between centralized and decentralized solutions. Ultron's solution is cost-effective, easy to understand, and capable of delivering the expectations of passive gain generation of a wide and ever-growing pool of digital assets holders while mitigating risks. No matter the economic background and technological understanding, everyone is able to participate in the future of the digital asset market. Ultron's innovation stems from leveraging the technology of the most scalable, secure, cost-efficient, and developer-friendly blockchains and crypto projects with the implementation of a unique crowdfunding solution, a staking hub NFT. By using a single native Layer 1 ULX coin, the users are able to access a wide variety of decentralized digital asset management services and at the same time keep aligned the ever-growing IT developing resources in a stimulating ecosystem. Stakeholders do not only receive a very appealing APR, which is stands for annual percentage rate, which is like interest, but they will also be part of a revolutionary movement of inclusion in the fast evolving and growing digital asset market. Ultron is a blockchain that successfully manages to solve the blockchain trilemma by providing at the same time speed of transaction, security, and significant scalability. Furthermore, our blockchain technology leverages a leaderless proof of stake protocol and a synchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism. So they have a stable economics, so it is essential to point out that the significant percentage of the profits and transaction fees generated through the native dApps is used by the Ultron Foundation to buy back and burn ULX coins. This creates a deflationary pressure on the Ultron ecosystem and raises the demand for ULX. It is also ensured that the project will remain sustainable in the long term and vastly improves the tokenomic incentives in comparison by competing blockchains and other L1 solutions. Ultron is poised to become a disruptive game changer. Also, an energy management innovation. So Ultron, with its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, is more energy efficient because it does not require extra energy to prove trustworthiness. Unlike proof-of-work, which requires specialized hardware, proof-of-stake can run on a laptop. The nodes are virtual, not physical, and do not require physical holding space. Ultron's proof-of-stake blockchain network and carbon offsetting will pave the way for more environmentally friendly future of NFTs and virtual assets. So it's got a secure global network. Ultron protects privacy by limiting the sharing of transaction details to only those involved in the transaction. No third party is required in blockchain transactions. Moreover, transactions are recorded on Ultron, and each block is interconnected with the ones that came before it and after it. As a result, tampering with a single record is nearly impossible. And a scalable way to transact for Ultron. Scalability is one of the primary principles. The platform's stable transaction fees and industry standard performance can be attributed to the use of direct DAG structures. There are several ways that Ultron network can be used, but the most common is the use of the public RPC API cluster to send the transactions and interact with the smart contracts on the blockchain. And also a foundation for interoperability. Ultron can transfer any type of data, digital asset, or standard token via cross blockchain capabilities. Choose your transfer medium from a variety of blockchains within the platform's network and take advantage of the platform's limitless anti-standardization. And lastly, stability through scalability. Thousands of transactions are processed by Ultron's network every second, resulting in a low-cost inflation at scale and reduction in the amount you pay out in transaction fees to Ultron. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token here? Do you think this is a good investment or not? I'm looking at the bottom of their white paper here, and it looks like their whole team is doxed, which is great to see as well. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And make sure you guys check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.